What's up guys, my name is TechNubber here for Troubleshoot, and today I'm going to show you what is probably the most important tip for me and my editing. And of course, if you edit videos somewhat similar to how I do, then you'll also find this very useful. What am I talking about? Well, over here, I have an MKV file and I have a Premiere Pro project. The two don't mix very well. It just says file format not supported. So what do you need to do? Well, you need to remux the MKV into an MP4. They're basically the same thing. You just need to copy it and paste it using a special piece of software called FFMPEG or any other kind of video converter. Now, of course, you're used to the normal conversion technique of just saying FFmpeg-I, the name of the input file, followed by the output file at the very end. Very basic, very simple. And by doing that, you'll have both the audio and the video copied across, which would work for this. However, I have 3 audio channels in my video file, and of course doing that would leave me only with the first one, and copying across the rest of them might be extra effort. So something I like to do is both remux and do a bit more in one line of code. Basically, I'll take this MKV with 3 audio tracks, copy it out into one MP4, followed by 3 audio tracks, one for each of the tracks inside of this video over here, which makes editing a hell of a lot easier for me. Basically, this is the command down here that I use. FFmpeg-I, file name, map0v, meaning map the first video, to -c copy, so don't change the format at all, and put it into an MP4 file. By doing this over here, you'll simply take the input file and copy the first video track into an output file. Yes, you can have more than one video track in a single MP4 or MKV file. Then we have map0a0, which is the 0th audio track, and we're copying it to 0.aac. Map0a1, which is the first audio track, to 1.aac, and 2 to 2.aac, etc., etc. You could add as many of these as you wish. However, I only record in 3 tracks: my PC sound, my Discord or chat sound, and my voice at the very end. So of course, this file over here is a bit more confusing than having just one line as such. This file, in fact, iterates over every MKV file in the same folder it's in, then gets the name of the file, removes the extension at the very end, tells it an output file, tells me what it's currently doing, and then goes ahead and remuxes the input file into the input file name .mp4, _0.aac, 1.aac, 2.aac, etc., etc. So if I just go ahead and run this, you'll see it's busy remuxing it into this folder over here, where we have a video file and 3 audio tracks. So basically, I'm successfully splitting the video and the audio tracks into separate files, and of course, this is quite modular. You can expand it or contract it as much as you need. So press any key to continue. I'm going to close it, and as you can see, I have a video file, audio track 0, 1, 2, and I can drag them all into Premiere Pro because they're formats that Premiere likes. And of course, I can make a new sequence, drag in audio 1, audio 2, and audio 3. Zoom in a bit, and you can see that all of the audio tracks are here. I don't exactly have anything going in my chat, so as you can see, I've got a bit of music, and the rest is me talking. And that's basically it. This is how to separate the audio from the video. It's using FFmpeg, which if you need to know how to install, will be linked down in the description below. And once you have it installed, you can simply use this command line over here. Basically, how it works is as such. So we'll go ahead and make this command a bit more human readable if you'd like to enter it yourself. So we have input.mp4, and over here we have the output video file name, so output.mp4. Then we have the first audio track, so we'll call it output _0.aac. Then we also have output 1 and output 2. And of course, if you have more than 3 audio tracks, you can simply copy from before the map to after the file name. You can change the 2 to a 3, 2 to a 3, you can do it again to a 4th one, etc., etc., as many times as you need. So we'll take atl.mkv as the input, and we'll simply run this command inside of a command prompt as such, and you can see 0a3 matches no streams. So we'll just get rid of 3 and 4, copy it, paste it, remove these files, enter, and it starts automatically remuxing it from one file into these ones here. Quite fast. Then of course, if we want fewer audio tracks, we can get rid of certain ones of these as such. Then we can simply copy it, cmd, paste it, and it comes out as so with just the 0th audio track. We can also change it so that it only takes out the 3rd audio track, number 2, and it'll output that alongside the video as such. And we have the audio track over here. Super simple and really easy to do. This file will be linked down in the description below, or at least the code for it. If you'd like it to iterate through every file inside of a folder, simply change it from star.mkv to say mp4 and edit the rest as you like. Outname is the folder that it goes into, so I've got it in my H drive /temp/!name, so this is where it will go. Basically, all you need to change is this file location over here. And besides that, that's basically it. Of course, you'll need to remove as many of these audio tracks as you're not going to use, or possibly even add more. Save it, run it, and you're done. Anyways, thank you all for watching. My name has been Technobo here for Troubleshoot. This has been a rather quick, possibly confusing video, but if you understand what's going on, this is going to be incredibly useful for you. Anyways, I'll see you all next time. Ciao.